Unit 1 Product. In this product session 1, I am going to explain meaning and importance of product and component of product. First, meaning and importance of product. Meaning and importance of product. Product is mostly used as a need satisfying entity because it always gives solution to customer problems. It can be anything that can be offered to a market to satisfy a need or a want, and also include physical goods, services, experience, event, places, properties, and so on, which we have studied in class 11. Product can be both tangible and intangible product. According to Philip Kotler, product is anything that can be offered to someone to satisfy a need or a want. The importance of product. Product is the core of all the marketing activities. Without a product, marketing cannot be expected. If there is no product, then how can the marketers survive? This simple question explains the whole thing. We all know that the product is very important because product is the only thing which we are nowadays consuming day by day. Without the product, the consumer or customer cannot survive for a long period, not a single moment also, we can say that. Next, the component of product. Product have their own identity or personality. Product always have many features for which customer used to buy the product. Customer always buy the product which exceed his her expectation, which make them delightful. The component of product. The component of product includes number 1, the core product, the associate features, brand name, logo, package, and label. First, the core product. It is the basic elements of the product. It is the benefit behind the product. It is tangible that make the product more value. It indicates that what the buyer is actually buying. For example, a woman buying a washing machine. Why the woman is buying that washing machine? For her comfort. And that comfort is a core benefit or core product. Number 2, associate features. The product includes several associate features beside the core ingredients. For example, a woman buying washing machine. Why the woman is buying that washing machine? Because of the associate features. Like by using that washing machine, it will be more easy for her to walk because it takes less time and easy to wash. Also, the style of a washing machine is very wonderful or very nice. The woman get more attracted towards that features. Third, brand name. The brand name is a name, term, symbol, design, or a combination of them which make customer to identify the product and services, and also it is easily differentiate from one product to another product. For example, the Adidas, Puma, Reebok, that all is what we call the brand name, which differ one product from another product. A trademark is a brand with legal protection that thus ensure its exclusive use by one seller. In current time, customer not only buy the product, they pick the brand. Fourth, symbol and picture insert product brand identification recall with their importance being enhanced in rural market where brands are mostly recognized by their picture in the logo. Logo is a trademark, a symbol of a product. When we talk about the logo, the picture which we see in each brand, that is a logo. Next, package. It protects the product from damaging. Currently, packaging contributes the total sales appeal of the product. It also gives the information about the product. Next, label. Label is also a